everybody. So, funny story. I'm here at Thrift Town to go shopping, and on my way here, I step out of my car and this is what my shoe does. It broke. This is the other one. It looks fine. It's in good shape. I gotta walk to the store barefoot now and get a new pair of shoes. Darn it. I hate it when I have to do that. I feel like I look like such a hobo, but what you gonna do? This is the perfect spot to get a pair of shoes. How are these looking? I like them. I don't like these too. I like it. Looks really nice. How about this one? Not so bad. Don't really know how I feel. Definitely have to get this outfit. Look at this shirt. An Express. Pants.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I love these pants. The shirts, yeah, from Pasadena. That's kind of the area I was from. I wonder if my dad could tell me any stories about them. Yes. These jeans are like kind of tight, but I can tell that like I'll like stretch into them, so. I like this skirt too. Look, it's a tiger bear. He's so cute. Ooh. What? Whoa. You look so sleepy.
Yes,
You are sleepy.
my eyes are dry.
Dad. Hippie mom, gangster dad. How much more opposite could they be? Am I right? You're so lucky you don't have school today. I don't have school today either, but still, I mean like high school.
What time is it?
It's like 8 a.m.
I woke up early today.
So here is Greg, the chef.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
That was impressive.
And here's Mamie. Hi, Mamie.
What is the focus of your paper there?
I'm just trying to find the differences
And here's
between
Tom.
the two main characters.
In
Tom!
The most dangerous game.
Oh.
Hi, Madeline. Hi,
And can you choose the main characters, or are they laid out for you?
Oh, no, there's only
This
two.
is how we're celebrating
It's kind of like
Labor Day weekend.
talking about.
Yeah! With a really great view.
And I'm sorry my hair is not on fleek.
Okay, now a good song comes on. That was pretty good. I mean, it was good, but it's like
That was
a
intense.
middle song.
It's cool.
Is that a video or?
Yeah.
Oh, is it going on YouTube? No.
Okay, now it won't. Just for